Now it's filming.
Okay, go on.
I can't zoom in when it's filming.
No, okay.
So I'm just gonna have to move it around.
I'm gonna look up here and have fun with the fly backwards.
It's like a welder, dude. This is really what welders are, dude. Get back in the video so you can see his stupidness. Gotta fix my mouth. Oh gosh. Did it do anything to that? Can you see?
Put your ear in it.
I'm not gonna put my ear in it.
Put your hair in it.
Do you think there's something wrong with me, dude? Alright, now of course at the end of the video I have to stick my finger in there, okay? So before you turn it off, I have to stick my finger.
Okay.
It wouldn't be a proper.
Stop.
Now I'm gonna stick my finger in.
Sounds like little fireworks.
Alright.
Okay.
Dude, I saw a video on Sunday. I'll show you.
Oh!
You suck at life.
Okay, I'm going to.
Alright, now I'm gonna put my finger in.
Don't get hit with that.
I know. I hate doing it, dude. I mean, mentally it's painful. I mean, like, think about it. You're sticking your finger into electricity.
Your body is very cautious of it.
It is painful if you do leave your finger there. Ah!